Thank you very much. I think I'm very grateful to the Lord Almighty for these opportunities that we have here to address the people of Kiambu and all of the other jurisdictions that we try to contest for the various positions that are available for public contestation. I think, personally, I want to say that the party is greater than any individual. And it is incumbent upon us to refocus now our energies to heal the fissures and the deep wounds that we have arisen from the rather fractious process. This has been a very bracing battle, and I think it's always good to give it a shot. And personally, I did it for the Ruiru Constituency seat, and I'm very, very proud of that endeavor. And I want to thank the people of Ruiru Constituency for their decision, and also to congratulate my brother Isaac Mwaura. We were just fighting some few hours. This was a very bracing battle, but then I decided. I mean, some of these things are divided. When I was sitting here, it's about time that we move forward. So I look forward to having a greater united Kiambu. There are detractors who are waiting to see these nominations. We will tear the party apart. I want to tell them, no, we are united under our Deputy President William Samoei Ruto. These nominations will not deter us or even slow down our momentum. They are not going to actually plummet the opinion polls for the party. And I want to ask each one of us to just dust themselves up. Those who have not succeeded in being nominated, it does not invalidate your leadership credentials. It only says that then for every contest is a winner, and so that we move forward for another day. Thank you and God bless you.